The ENED courses are our first-year engineering course sequence taken by all of our first-year engineering students. In these courses, we try to help students transition from the high school mindset to academics into the college mindset, as well as into kind of what engineering really is and how engineers think about solving problems. So in high school, a lot of times you're solving problems where there's one right answer and it's in the back of the book and you go check the back of the book and figure out whether you're right or not. Whereas with engineering, sometimes we don't even know what the problem is. So we have to first figure out what the problem is, and then there's going to be multiple solutions, multiple pathways to get to those solutions. To bring all those skills to bear in solving problems is important.
In ENED, we learn how to be engineers in the most basic sense. We learn how to do project management. We learn how to use different softwares. We learn engineering skills like spatial visualization.
Final demo day, the teams will bring the robots that they've built. There'll be a series of tests that test the different capabilities the robot's supposed to have. As you go out and work in industry, you're working on projects, there'll be times when you have to demonstrate the success of the projects that you're working on. So having that experience in an academic setting can then help you be more comfortable in those situations moving forward. It's not about getting the right answer to begin with, right? It's about getting to the right answer, and that's a process.
The unique thing about our TA team is that we're all peers, so we're all undergraduate students, meaning we can kind of relate one-to-one. It's also unique that we've all taken the course, so sometimes you get a graduate student who's your TA and they've never taken this course, they don't really know how to relate to the students. So as PTAs can really get to that one-to-one level with those students and understand and help them.
TAs that have gotten through the class and that have been successful can better relate to students through those emotions. It's a little bit less intimidating when a TA asks, no, like really, how are you doing?
I hope they take away a real desire to learn about engineering, the world, how to solve problems, how to communicate concisely, and most of all, how to just enjoy engineering, how to find their passion and make sure that that drives the work they do.